Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dating and sharing 5 essential dating tips for beginners. Whether you're stepping into the dating scene for the first time or looking to improve your dating game, these tips are sure to make your experience more enjoyable and successful. Tip 1. Be yourself. The most important thing to remember when dating is to be yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you're not just to impress others. Authenticity is attractive, and being genuine will help you build a stronger connection with your potential partner. Embrace your quirks and uniqueness. After all, finding someone who likes you for who you are is the ultimate goal. Tip 2. Set clear intentions. Before you start dating, take some time to reflect on what you're looking for in a relationship. Setting clear intentions will help you focus on finding someone who shares your goals and values. Whether you're seeking a long-term commitment or just a fun companion, knowing what you want will prevent misunderstandings and save you time. Tip 3. Communication is key. Effective communication is vital in any relationship. When dating, be an active listener and express yourself honestly and respectfully. Share your thoughts and feelings openly, and encourage your date to do the same. Good communication fosters understanding and trust, leading to a healthier connection between you and your potential partner. Tip 4. Take it slow. Don't rush into a relationship. Take your time to get to know the person. Building a strong foundation requires patience and gradual progression. Avoid putting pressure on yourself or your date to label the relationship too quickly. Allow things to develop naturally, and remember that strong bonds are often nurtured over time. Tip 5. Practice self-care. Dating can be both thrilling and challenging, so it's crucial to take care of yourself throughout the process. Prioritize self-care and maintain a healthy balance between dating and other aspects of your life. Remember to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. As a happy and confident, you will make a more positive impression on potential partners. And there you have it, 5 essential dating tips for beginners. Remember to be yourself, set clear intentions, communicate openly, take it slow, and practice self-care. By incorporating these tips into your dating journey, you'll increase your chances of finding a meaningful and fulfilling relationship. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We love hearing from you, so share your dating experiences and tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy dating and take care.